Greetings, today I'm going to show you a few easy steps so you can start rolling the nunchaku around your wrist. So this is our goal, to be able to just do this, right? 1, 2. To be able to do that, you need to know the path of the string or chain depending on your nunchaku. The first stage, you're going to hold it like this, and the path is going to go over the back of your hand and behind the other stick, like this. Okay? So just get used to going like that. Okay? Like that. From there, when it gets there, you're going to catch it with your thumb, let go of the other stick, and roll it around. Okay? Try that again. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Hey. 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 Now, go in the other direction with your hand up. You're going to roll it around this way. Now your hand is going to be like this. Your thumb catches, you let go, you go around. Right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice and slow. Around the back, catch it with your thumb, let go, spin. On the back, catch it with your thumb, on the back, spin. Right? And then you get to the point where you can go around in circles and do stuff. Okay? Have fun with that. Let me know if that helps. And until next time, train hard.